Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm still waiting for the April showers to bring May flowers. I just want to show you the ground here. Them kind of showers ain't gonna make much grow. So like, we're gonna do a garage day today. Look what the UPS guy brought. We're into upgrading now. Those are Pro Armor seat harness. We're gonna put those in. Got the little switch, little bypass switch. And this right here is a Can Am condom. Did I say that? Yeah, I did say that. Because when I changed the oil on this thing, I didn't show you guys, but the oil dripped all over the place. I stuck a piece of cardboard up under the drain plugs. Didn't work real good. So now we're professional. We got the oil funnel. It'll go down in the drain pan like it's supposed to. So we're gonna get busy, put them harnesses in there, make the machine much more safer. Safety first. All right, so hang on to your hats. Let's get the wrenches out and get busy. We're gonna plug that in, or plug the jumper in right there. Done. Easy peasy. All right, let's open this box. I always wanted to do that on YouTube, but I gotta cut the tape off. Dang it. All right, here we go. Tape off. Let's see what's down in there. Warning labels, of course. If you don't put them on right, could be injury or death. Oh, that's one of the reasons I got these right there. Sticker. Go fast there, makes your machine faster, I'm telling you. There's the belts. I got the 2-inch. It has a phone holder right there. That'd probably get in the way. We might cut that off. I don't know yet. The other side has a little net you can stick something in there. What else is in there? There is, in this little box right here, that's a light, y'all. Why would harnesses come with lights? You're supposed to stick it in this web pocket right there so you can have a handy light. But what we're gonna do, I think, is gonna be a dome light and stick it to the roof right up there. Good thinking, huh? But the biggest reason that I got these Pro Armor belts is because of the price. Y'all know I'm a cheap dude. The price was $145 for the pair. We got 2 lights, 2 stickers. It's twice as fast. And I think the downside, I was reading the labels and everything. They recommend you replace these after 2 years. So we'll see how it goes. Pro Armor harnesses, both sides. Couple of quick closing thoughts on this video on the Pro Armor seat belts. The install is really easy. I made it look like it's quick. It is pretty quick. And a couple of things you need to know. They say to use your existing hardware to install the harnesses in your car. You can't. These right here are the bolts that come out of the bottom of the seat that held the buckle in the stock. They have a shoulder, the bottom of the bolt. Can't use that. With the Pro Armor harnesses, the hole in the harness does not fit over that shoulder. So I went to the hardware store. I took this with me. I thought it was metric. It's not metric. I forget the size of the bolt, but it's not metric. So if you guys are going to get these, you're going to want to take the bottom bolts and go to the hardware store or wherever you get your nuts and bolts from and size that up, and you'll be fine. Put some thread lock compound on there, screw in your new bolt, you're good to go. Just get a bolt that'll fit through the hole on the buckle on the harness. And another thing is, we gotta move. I hope you can see this. Right here, where you bolt behind the seat to the Can Am brackets, the way the brackets are made on the Can Am, I had to bolt the harness underneath the bracket, underneath the mounting bracket on the Can Am, and I had to get a spacer. I used 1/4 inch spacers. I had some spare parts from a lawnmower, so I spaced that down and mounted the harness brackets to the Can Am bracket there on the bottom side. I hope that makes sense to you. If you guys got Can Ams, you'll know what I mean. And I also went to the hardware store and got the bolts and the nylon nuts to bolt the upper harnesses to the machine. The spacers are steel, and dropped it down a little bit so it don't pinch the vinyl material on the strap. Pivot the seat belts or put them on or whatever. There's a pinch point there, so you need the spacers underneath to get them to mount properly, is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, they're a good deal. They're not the most expensive, they're not the least expensive, they're right in the middle. I thought it was a pretty good deal. You all really need harnesses in a machine. The stock seat belts, they work, but they don't work like they should. I frequently lean forward to adjust the camera, the one I'm talking to you guys in, and turn it off and on and all of that. With the stock seat belts, I can lean forward, and you shouldn't be able to do that. When the harness comes across your chest, you shouldn't be able to do that. With these Pro Armor harnesses, you're not leaning forward, you're buckled in there, and if you happen to roll or crash or tip over or whatever, you're not coming out of the car. With the stock seat belts, it's a good chance if you have an accident or whatever, you're coming out. So the harnesses are necessary, and the manufacturer of these things should be putting those in there as standard equipment, along with the lower doors. Just saying. Another note on the Can Am is the jumper wire, the jumper plug. You only need one on a Can Am, just one. Goes on the driver's side. So it's an easy install. I appreciate you guys watching, and there's just one question left. One question, and that is, where do you mount your stickers that come with the thing? I want to know. Do you put them on your machine? You put them on your toolbox, or you just give them to the kids to play with? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you all you new subscribers. Appreciate it very much. And I think the next video we're gonna do another garage time with RD, that'd be me, we are going to do the Fox shock tune on this machine. That's what we're going to do the next time, and we will see you then. Be good, y'all. The stock stuff going in the box. We might put that on a lawnmower. Goodbye, stock belts. Lawnmower would be good for those. Yeah, buddy. The close of another video with RD. Closing it up. Damn. Maybe we can get $10 for these at a yard sale. I don't know.